Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago about uRolando Mkwena eba nama-links no-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, meningikhumbula kahle-ke uRolando Mkwena last season he was fired by Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, he was fired by Mamelodi Sundowns after winning i-league neMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke wahluleka ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup, wahluleka futhi ukuyiwina i-MTN 8 ephucwa i-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, wafika kuma-semi-finals e-Champions League. iMamelodi Sundowns yabona ukuthi azini badecide ukumdedela uRolando Mkwena and they hired uManqoba Mnqithi and bamdismissa nawo uManqoba Mnqithi base bahirisha uMiguel Cardoso. So uRolando Mkwena wahamba kwiSundowns. Ekuhambeni kwakhe kwiSundowns wajoyina iWydad Casablanca. iWydad yayifuna ucoach one-experience, ucoach ozokwazi ukulungisa izinto, because ekujoyineni kwakhe uRolando Mkwena ejoyine iWydad Casablanca izinto zazingekho right lapha. Yabo, baningi abadlali ababehambile, yabo, babe nama-cases with uFIFA fethu abaphuca yonke into ababenayo. So babedinga ukurebuilda, barebuilde i-team kabusha and baharisha uRolando Mkwena, ucoach one-experience olazi ibhola la e-Africa. So for uRolando bekuyi-environment ehlukile, yabo, ukusuka la eSouth Africa kuyibhola la eSouth Africa ele North Africa ukuyodlalisa i-team enjenge-Wydad Casablanca, considered to be one of the best teams edlala lapha. But-ke ubenomsebenzi bekumele ayowenza ukushintsha arebuild, yabo, athenga abadlali abasha mase einstilla ibhola lakhe. Siyamazi kuRolando Mkwena bafethu umuntu othanda ukudlala ibhola from the back, osebenzisa kakhulu ama-midfielders, abadlala iswini, udinga abaqini, yabo, athanda ukusebenzisa i-width kakhulu. Siyawazi ifilosofi yakhe, siyayazi indlela yokudlala wakhe, yabo. So ekwenzeni kwakhe leyo nto walanda abadlali abanjengoThembinkosi Lotho, walanda abadlali abanjengoMayilula, walanda abadlali kunaleli defender laseMorocco ledlala eMamelodi Sundowns. Le team le iWydad Casablanca yabona ukuthi kahle asiwabona ama-results. Yes, simnikeze yonke into uRolando Mkwena, but we don't see the results. We want to see the results. Kwenzeka-ke lokho kwenzekalayo, i-team yadecide ukuthi uRolando mekuphela isizini uyayishiya, yabo, uyayishiya iWydad Casablanca. So njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje uRolando Mkwena akana team. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago speaking about uRolando Mkwena nama-links no-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, bekuphuma umbiko ukuthi uRolando Mkwena ulink ne-Orlando Pirates. Sekune team entsha-ke esivelile esithombeni. Le team le abayaziyo eyase-Tanzania, one of the biggest teams ekhona eTanzania. Yabo, iyakhula impela le team le. Abantu abaningi baxakeka the rise of young Africans. The rise of young Africans indlela esidlala ngakhona right now. There are many big players abadlala lapha. Abo Clement Mzize, there's this guy obodlala neKaizer Chiefs. I remember when they played against the Kaizer Chiefs, uyangikhohlwa igama lakhe, yabo. Umjida Nswembe udlala as i-left wing if I'm not mistaken, uyadlala amjida lo. Ngangitsha kulapho kuma-comments abadlali be-young Africans, i-young Africans iyadlala bafethu. I think khona noDube phambili odlalayo. So young Africans kule season le ayibanga nesizini e-right. Siyibonena kwi-Champions League ihlulekile ukuya kuma-knockout stages. Ibiqashe bani? Ibiqashe ucoach oqhamuka la eSouth Africa. Yabo, nayo yaxosha ucoach at the start of i-season yawo, yaxosha ucoach owayeyicoach, yabo, yaharisha uSaid Ramovich. uSaid Ramovich nayo beneyinkinga neTS Galaxy. Siyakhumbula-ke izinto azenza uSaid Ramovich. Decide ukuthi azini uyashiya iTS Galaxy. Lokho wakusho live. Imagine after playing Orlando Pirates washo live ukuthi uyashiya, yabo, ufuna ukuhamba, yabo, decide nje ukuresigna on live television. So he joined Young Africans. Yabo, for me I thought it was a good choice for him to go to Tanzania, yabo, to rebuild himself. But-ke wafika khona eTanzania izinto to be honest azibanga right, but-ke yena wakwazi ukuthi ayirebuilde kahle i-Young Africans ukuthi idlale kahle, ingene na kwi-Champions League. Yabo, ithi ukudlala nje kanconywana. Akahlalanga isikhathi esiningi kwi-Young Africans nayo uSaid Ramovich wasesuka kwi-Young Africans waya le kwi-CR Belouizdad. Le team le yashaya i-Orlando Pirates futhi kuma-group stages e-Champions League, but-ke asikho lapho. Yabo, i-Young Africans iyona team right now efuna uRolando, and izinto ngathi zolunga impela right now, because mwasubheka Orlando Pirates yes i-team enkulu and uRolando athanda impela ukubuya eSouth Africa azoyijoyina akwazi ukuyicoach. But mwasubheka there are lots of politics right now regarding Orlando Pirates iyodwa nje. There are many things blocking uRolando Mkwena to coach iOrlando Pirates again, yabo. But-ke asazi Orlando Pirates isa relentless. Orlando Pirates isafuna ukuthi acoach umjida, yabo, asazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukumlanda uRolando Mkwena azocoacha. noma Young Africans izoyitholela ucoach yabo phela masiba neVAR bafethu uRelani Mkwena une-experience yabo une-experience umshita ayikho team engeyizithande ukuthola uRelani Mkwena ukuthi ayikho iclub nje engeyizithanda ukuthi lo mjida afika azoyicoach yabo. So ngokwakho wona ngokwakho uthini? Do you think uRelani Mkwena uzofita kuOrlando Pirates or do you think uzofita eTanzania? Yabo. Which club does have i-possibility ukuthi imthole? Mina ngazi angifuqama Young Africans, it's a tempting offer, to be honest. It's a tempting offer. Indawo mfethu engajwayelekile eTanzania and the fans khona alithanda ibhola la khona yabo. Kuno coach uFaldo Davids ucoacha khona yabo, wayecoach Orlando Pirates uFaldo waya khona wayacoacha right now ucoacha ini iSimba SC right now. iSimba iyodlala ifinal adidlana Steelers lapha kuma semi-final eMozambique. So ama-fans alapha they really like ibhola yabo, they really love ibhola ama-fans alapha. So it's a different environment again for uRelani Mkwena, but ke maybe lapha eTanzania bazolibuyisa futhi uthando lwakhe lebhelo, maybe mase akwazi ukuthatha ama-Young Africans awayise kwi-Champions League, maybe kuma-knockout stages, maybe kwi-final. Mhlawumbe ama-team amaningi azokwazi ukum-approacha, maybe uRelani Mkwena might take nebo amabomba akhe awabhekisele eEurope, maybe ama-team akuma-lower leagues azama ukucoacha wona asazi. But ngokwakho ngangitshela ukuthi yiphi i-team engamfanele uRelani Mkwena between the two, Orlando Pirates or Young Africans.